Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ted Tang, and this is A Minute to Better Health. Today we're talking about adjusting babies. I often get asked, can babies be adjusted? And the answer is absolutely yes, they can be adjusted. Whether they should be adjusted depends. They should certainly be checked in the least. When you think about the birthing process, it can be very traumatic for the baby, leading to all sorts of problems like colic, ear infections, etc. And so they certainly should be checked. And so I'm going to show a couple different ways that I adjust babies. And the first one's going to be using my hand. So what I would do is I would have the parent just simply hold the baby against their chest, and I would run my fingers, my thumbs up the spine, feeling for problem areas and simply doing light thrust as I'm going through the areas all the way up into the neck. Okay, it doesn't look like I'm doing much because it doesn't take much for a baby to move the joints. The second way I would adjust is using what's called an activator. This is a handheld adjusted instrument, and the way it works is when I pull this plunger, it sends a light force out the tip. So I would work up the spine in the same fashion, feeling for problem areas, and what I would do is I would lay my thumb down on the area as a buffer between the instrument and the baby, so it's gentle. And I would, find the different areas that need to be adjusted, and simply work up the spine, even all the way up into the neck. Okay? So if anyone has any questions regarding adjusting babies or just about how we can help babies in general here in this clinic, please give us a call or visit our website. Again, my name is Dr. Ted Tang. Thanks for watching today.